Good evening everyone. Today's topic is quadratic equation. I am writing a general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. As we have already discussed about linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, here on right hand it has two sides, that's why it has become an equation. Now why it is quadratic? Because highest power of the variable, here variable is x, or we can say degree of this equation is 2. That's why it is a quadratic equation, right? In first exercise, what we have to do, check whether the following are the quadratic equations. And first part is given x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Is it a quadratic or not? You know this formula, this identity, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now open this bracket, it will become 2x minus 6. Now x square plus 2x, take it on left hand side, minus 2x. Right here is plus 1, negative 6. Here on left hand side it will become positive 6. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic or not? It is a quadratic because highest degree of this equation is 2. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Then come to second part. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Write it as it is on left hand side. Minus 2 into 3 it is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x, minus minus plus 2x. X square minus 2x, take it on left hand side, it will become minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic because degree of this equation is 2. Right? Now come to next part. Now come to last part of this question. And the question is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. You know about algebraic identity a minus b whole cube. We will use it here. Write this x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 as it is. Now a minus b whole cube. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. X cube minus 8 minus 6x square. 2 to the 4, 3 is a 12 x. See this x cube and x cube, same sign, so we can cancel these two terms. Minus 4x square, this minus 6x square, on left hand side it will become positive. Then minus x, take it on left hand side, minus 12x. Then plus 1, this negative 8. On left hand side it will become positive. So 6 minus 4, 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now you can try remaining parts of this question. Now come to question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. And the question is, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So here we will assume let breadth is equal to x meter and length is equal to what it is? It is 1 meter more than twice its 1 meter more than twice its breadth, right? And according to question, area means length into breadth. Length is 1 plus 2x, breadth is x, and how much it is given? It is 528 meters square. Now multiply this equation. X plus 2x square is equal to 528. First we will write term which is having highest degree, 2x square, then having degree 1. After that constant term, take 520 on left hand side, right? So this will become your answer, because here what they have said, represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation. Then come to next part. And the question is, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Now according to question, their product x into x plus 1 whole square is equal to 306. Sorry, x into x plus 1, their product is equal to 306. Now multiply it, x into x, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this will become your answer, right? Now come to third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. It means we will assume let Rohan's present age is equal to x years. His mother's present age. It is given that his mother is 26 years older than him. It means it is x plus, her age is x plus 26 years. Now move according to question. The product of their age is 3 years from now. 3 years from now means x plus 3, and here present age is x plus 26. After 3 years, x plus 26 plus 3. Product of their age is after 3 years, it is 360. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus x square plus 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x minus right, this This will be our answer. Now come to fourth part of this question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See here, distance is 480 km, right? And what we need to know, speed of the train. Let speed of the train is equal to x kilometer per hour, right? Time taken by train if its speed is x kilometer per hour. You know, time is equal to distance upon speed, 480 upon x hours, then time taken by train if its speed is, if it would have taken, if the speed had 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours less. 8 km per hour less, it means x minus 8 km per hour, then time right. Now move according to question. If speed is 8 km per hour less, then it takes 3 hours more. It means this time is greater one as compared to this 480 by x, right? If the speed is lesser, then it will take more time. It means difference between 480 upon x minus 8 and 480 upon x. It would have, it is given in the question, it would have taken 3 hours more to travel the same distance. It means difference between these two times is equal to 3 hours. Now LCM of x minus 8 and x. 140 into x minus 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3 by 1. 480x minus 480x minus minus plus 0 3840, and on denominator it will become x square minus 8x is equal to 3 by 1. 480x cancel. Now cross multiply. 3 into x square minus 8x is equal to 3840. X square minus 8x is equal to 3840 upon 3. 3, 2, 6. So it is x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This will be our answer. Thank you.